Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you something about this Huawei Wi-Fi mobile hotspot. That is very good if you want to use your mobile phone SIM card data, and you can just insert and enjoy this device. But if you are purchasing this for first time, how you can set up, how you can connect, how to use starting internet, and what are the scenario and what is the process you have to do. First of all, I'm requesting you, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this and about this device too. And don't forget to watch the video till the end, because we purchase these type of devices and these are costed very high. As you can see, you already purchased this device, so we purchased this device only for sharing or making video for you, so that we can help you out in setting this device. Now first of all, what we have to do, we have to just open this lid from over here. This side there is an option over there. Now what we have to do, we have to just take a photo of this from over here, and after that, when you take photograph of this, because it's required for to knowing the Wi-Fi password of this device. As you can see, this is the 107 DZ like that is the Wi-Fi password for your device. Now what we have to do, and what is the scenario, you have to just insert the SIM card over here for just using the internet, and after that we have to insert the battery and switch it on from over here. Now when we on, it will start giving indications like this. Now our device has been switched on and it will blinks after few seconds, or it's change the network. If network is low or battery is low, it will indicates over here. Now what we have to do, we have to just connect it to our mobile phone or laptop or computer. Then how we can do so, as you can see, it's showing red or orange light. That means no network available is over here, because in my area the network of Vodafone is very poor, very much poor. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to our 1 second, I'm gonna telling you. We have to just go to our mobile phones Wi-Fi section over there, and we have to just go below and find out the device. As you can see, available networks, it's showing the my mobile phone network. Click on that. Now I just copied this this device password over here, and I'm just going to copying this device password from over here. Now I'm just pasting that password in this password section and click on connect, and it will start connecting over here, and it's showing that it's connected right now. Now your internet will start working. If your device or SIM card has internet connection, it has a poor connection right now, or no data pack I think, but this way you can easily pair or start using this device. No other thing is required for this, and it will start working flawlessly. Now if you like this video and understand that how you can pair or set up for first time, then don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.